Not good. Not good at all. Where's all these bits? Where's that one go there? Nobody knows. Oh dearie me. Oh dearie me. There's half the drive there. There's another screw. I just found that one there. Oh look. Look. PlayStation 3. That's nice there. That's nice. So let's just have a look. There's the drive there. It's looking a bit font. There's the cover there. That's all really nice there. Wow. Okay, then we've got another something else there. That's the front of the drive. Then there's another bit here. I don't know where that goes either. But new laser. Watch this space.